Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. This is your Gate 2008 question. For 2 marks they have asked. They are saying that given below are two finite state automata, this arrow indicates the start state and F indicates a final state. Okay, so they have given the two finite state automaton where this arrow indicates the initial state and F indicates the final state. Okay, so it should be 2F. Now they are asking, if you do the cross product of Z into Y, what would be the cross product of that? And they are given 4 options. So now we will do cross product of Z into Y. Since they are using the same name 1, 1, 1, here 1, 2, here again 1, 2. So just to distinguish between this one and this one, we will use suffix as Y. I will write Y here. So it will distinguish between that these two is of automata Y and this is for automata Z. Okay. Now since they are asking Z into Y, so you know that in cross product Z into Y, you will see Z will be in first. So 1Z, comma 2Z. Then you will get 1Y, then 2Y. So in this way you will get the number of states. In the automata you are going to get 4 states because 2 states here and 2 states here, 2 into 2, 4 states. And then what will be the states in the cross product of this? You will take one element from here and append. So all these things I have discussed in my lecture of cross product. Okay. Then 1Z, 2Y, then 2Z, 1Y, then 2Z, 2Y, like this. So initial state is going to be the state which is going to be containing the initial state of both Y as well as Z. So here initial state is 1Y and here 1Z. So initial state is going to 1Z and this state 1Z, 1Y, because this state is containing initial state of both the automata. Okay. Now what is going to be the final state? So final state is going to be the state which is containing the final state of both the automaton. 2Y and 2Z is the final state, and here this state is containing the final state of both the automaton. So this is going to be final state. In your option, if you see initial, out of the 4 options, they are indicating initial state by P. Okay, they are using P to indicate the initial state and final state as F. Okay, and rest Q and S they are using. We will see which one going to be Q and which one going to be S. Now try to find the transition. So 1Z, then 1Y, by getting in where it is going. So 1Z by getting A, it's going to 2Z. It's going to 2Z. 1Y by getting it's going to 1Y. Now similarly for 1Z, 1Y by getting B, where it is going. So by getting B, 1Z by getting B, where it is going? 1Z by getting B, it's going to 2Z, and 1Y on getting B, it's going to 2Y. Okay. Now similarly we will find for 1Z2, 1Z, 2Y, 1Z by getting A, where it is going? 2Z, 2Y on getting A, where it is going? 2Y. Now similarly 1Z, 2Y on getting B, where it is going? So 1Z on getting B, 1Z on getting B, it is going to 2Z, 2Y on getting B, where it is going? 1Y. Okay, so let me draw the transition table for this. So this is your delta. Here state is going to your first A, B input alphabet. Now initial state is going to 1Z, 1Y. 1Z, 1Y is going to your initial state. Now by getting A, where it is going? It's going to 2Z, 2Y. 2z 1y. On getting B, where it is going 1z 1y, on getting it is going to 2z 2y. Now 1z 2y 1z 2y, on getting is going to 2z 2y. On getting B, it is going to 2z 2z 1y. Similarly, we will find for 2z 1y. 2z on getting A, where it is going 2z, on getting A, where it is going 1z. 1y on getting A, where it is going 1y. Now 2z 1y on getting B. So 2z on getting B, it's going to 1z. 1y on getting B, it's going to 2y. So 2z 1y 2z 1y on getting A is going to 1z 1y, and on getting B it's going to 1z 2y. Now similarly for 2z 2y 2z 2y. So 2z on getting A is going to 1z, and here 2y on getting it is going to 2y only. Similarly 2z 2y on getting B, 2z on getting B it is going to 1z, 2y on getting B it is going to 1y. So 2z 2y 2z 2y on getting it is going to 1z, 2y on getting B it is going to 1z 1y, 1z. Now in terms of P and QRS, we will write as in the options they are using PQRS. So if you see the options, P they are indicating as the initial state and R they are indicating as the final state. So we know these two, that it is going to be the final and initial is going to this. P is going to be initial, so A, B, and this is going to be your final R. Okay, so wherever you will see 1z 1y, you should write P, 1z 1y 1z 1y, P, 1z 1y, P. Now on getting A, it's going to 2z 2y whenever it's R. Okay, so this is the final 2z 2y, this is the final. Okay, so if you see the option there 2z 2y, nowhere 2z 2y is inside. So if you see the option, only option A by getting initial state on P it's going to final state. Okay, and rest is not going to the final state. So by this only you can eliminate. But since we will do the whole, see the initial state by getting it is going to the final state, but only option A is going to the final state. The rest is not going. So by doing that only you can eliminate the rest of the option and you can choose option A as the correct one. Now we'll assume which one is going to A means 2z 2y, which one we should consider. So if you see in the option A, P on getting A they are going to S. Okay, so that 2z 1y they are assuming as S. So 2z 1y they are assuming as S. Now wherever you will see 2z 1y S, 2z 1y S, 2z. So this is going to your 1z 2y is going to your Q, 1z 2y Q, 1z 2y Q. So if you see the option A is going to reflect that. Okay, so SP on getting A is SR, Q on getting A is going to RS, and R on getting A is going to QP, and AS on getting A is going to PQ. See, in the option in the GATE exam, they did one mistake. In AS on getting A, it should go to PQ, but there they have written QP. Okay, this is the correct one. It should go to PQ. So your option A is the correct option.